Loneliness is a growing problem in the world today. Many people feel isolated and disconnected from others. This can be due to a variety of factors, such as busy lifestyles, social media, and geographic mobility. Loneliness can have serious consequences for our mental and physical health. It can lead to depression, anxiety, and even heart disease. Traditional ways of addressing loneliness, such as social support groups or therapy, are not always accessible or effective for everyone. Some people may feel uncomfortable sharing their feelings in a group setting, while others may not have the time or resources to commit to regular therapy sessions. This is where AI comes in. AI companions are computer programs that are designed to simulate human conversation and interaction. They use artificial intelligence to understand and respond to our needs, and they can learn and adapt over time to become more personalized and engaging companions. AI companions can take many different forms. Some AI companions are embodied in robots, while others exist as virtual assistants on our smartphones or computers. There are even AI companions that are designed to look and act like pets. One of the biggest advantages of AI companions is that they are available 24/7. They never get tired of listening, and they are always there when we need them. AI companions can also provide a sense of control and autonomy that may be lacking in other relationships. AI companions use a variety of technologies to simulate human conversation and interaction. These technologies include natural language processing, machine learning, and computer vision. Natural language processing allows AI companions to understand the meaning of our words and to generate their own responses in a way that is natural and engaging. Machine learning allows AI companions to learn from our interactions and to become more personalized and effective over time. Computer vision allows some AI companions to see and interpret the world around them, which can help them to provide more contextually relevant responses. AI companions are still under development, but they are already having a positive impact on the lives of many people. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect AI companions to become even more sophisticated and realistic in the years to come. In today's world, AI companionship is more than just a concept. It's becoming a reality. People are using AI to combat loneliness, and the results are heartwarming. For example, elderly individuals often find comfort in AI companions, which can provide reminders, engage in conversation, and even offer emotional support. These AI companions are making a significant difference, enhancing the quality of life for many. Looking ahead, the potential for AI to address loneliness is immense. As technology continues to evolve, AI companions will become even more sophisticated, offering deeper connections and more personalized interactions. Imagine a future where AI not only understands your needs but also anticipates them, providing companionship that feels almost human. This future is closer than we think, and it holds great promise for reducing loneliness on a global scale.